Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this installment of Prepping in Private, I want to do a little book review for you. Now, this book, why I'm picking it out is because it is a very good example of someone who's trying to prep in private. The way they go about hiding their preps and doing everything so their neighbors don't know about it. Interesting thing is, so this supposedly takes place in a HOA, homeowners association, where there's a lot of strict rules and stuff. And it also involves a busybody neighbor, the classic Karen, I'm entitled to everything. And, if you have it, I should have it too type person. And it's really good. It's by an author, Jerry D. Young. And let me show you here. I got it on Amazon for my Kindle, and it's a really good book. It's called Dasater in the Burbs. It's a good, easy, 2-evening read, and it's very good. The main character is Darlene. She had previously been a trophy wife, housewife. Her husband bought her a bunch of jewelry to wear and all this other stuff. And anyway, she wound up getting divorced, and she was trying to become more self-sufficient. She was worried about what was going on, and she started prepping. And the first third of the book or so goes through the things she's trying to do to get prepared for whatever happens. So it's a good book. It's only $2.99 on Amazon for the Kindle version. If you have Kindle Unlimited, it's free. The paperback version is $7.07. Yeah, it's a good book. Really emphasizes the way you prep in private, the way you hide your preps from your neighbors, especially if you got a busybody neighbor right next door, and the things you can do to really blend in. And if you do have things that stand out, how it looks just more like as decorative planting and not gardening and everything else. So check it out. I really enjoyed the book. I've read it 3 times so far. Dasater in the Burbs by Jerry D. Young on Amazon. All right. So that's it. That's the review. That's the book. Check it out. And as always, everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do foolish things, especially for your prepping. Remember, keep on prepping and prep in private, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.